Kawawa mo na ang bibi, hindi pwedeng amupo.
First choice of drinks, just raspberry tea and or just all.
Just give them raspberry because it's more like kind of juicy taste. Thank you. That's okay. Sana! Sige, kulang mo lang ng hindi magandang ano. Ito namang maliit na to. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Are you eating something? You like your pizza? No. This is just too little. Kita yung nguso. Cute naman. Ito hindi ka kasali. Kasi bibi ka pa. No? I forgot. It's okay. This is... Huh? It's okay. It's here. Bogas, nakalimutan ko. Ang cute niya, no? Ampo. Buti na lang, nagmana sa tatay. Ito yung tatay. Uy, pumasok na! Are you guys enjoying your pizza? Huh? How was you, James? You like your pizza? Good job. How about you, Maya? Maya, do you like your pizza?
Yeah, the mom forgot the Play-Doh and the candy and the ball.
Okay. Good job.
Besides that.
Good? So I like that smile. How about you, Tanner? Say thank you very much for coming on my birthday. Oh my God, they are so cute.